Hey, Plankton, what's with all the air conditioners?
I have acquired 10,000 air conditioners, Esquire.
What are you gonna do with them?
I have acquired 10,001 air conditioners, Esquire.
Seriously, you were just gonna keep saying that every time you would want your collection.
I have acquired 10,002 air conditioners, Esquire.
This is ridiculous. Why would anyone need that many air conditioners?
I have acquired 10,003 air conditioners, Esquire. I have acquired 10,004 air conditioners, Esquire.
Really likes the sound of his own voice.
I have acquired 10,005 air conditioners, Esquire.
I can take this anymore. Can we please talk about something else?
I have acquired 10,006 air conditioners, Esquire.
Plankton has nothing better to do than 5,000 useless appliances.
I have acquired 10,007 air conditioners, Esquire. Wait, never mind. That was the last one.